This video is intended for educational use and features substantial original commentary throughout.
Helmet cam video showing a violent collision in Riverside. A motorcycle rider struck and dragged down the street. It's tough to tell for how long. Fortunately, though, he survived. The whole thing an apparent case of road rage.
As a few seconds went on, I felt like forever. I started slipping. So I could see the undercarriage of the car, and I went from being mad to being scared.
The motorcycle rider didn't want us to give out his name, but says it all happened Tuesday afternoon near La Sierra and the 91 freeway in Riverside. He says it started when he was pulling to the front of an intersection, and the driver of a black Nissan abruptly cut him off.
So I filtered to the front, and yeah, I got mad. I'm shaking my head. And I look back, and I see him roll down the window, and he's hanging his head out the window, and he's saying something.
What's your issue? What's that?
Why'd you shake your head?
Why did I shake my head?
Yeah.
Because you move over at the very last second.
I go first. You're behind me. I go first.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the incident doesn't end there. The motorcyclist continuing onward, stopping ahead at another light. The motorcyclist saying the driver of the Nissan chasing him down. That's when this happens.
In the footage, I look back just in time to see the front end of his car squeezing between both of those cars. He rear ends me, knocks me off the bike, and then floors it over me. And he drove me, and it felt like he was stepping on the gas, so I'm not sure how fast we were going. All I know is when he finally stopped, he threw it in reverse, so I took that chance, got up, ran to the sidewalk, and he fled the scene.
Riverside police say 32-year-old Gary DeLandro eventually turned himself in, now facing attempted murder charges. Bail set at $1 million. As for the motorcyclist, he suffered moderate injuries, staples below his knee, burn injuries to his backside. His jacket and backpack shredded.